is Adam Abbas Salim. And I'm his partner, Fisher. And we are students of Bishop High School in Albion, Berlin. Our project was on retrieving the maximum amount of liquid from the carton with ease. When we mean by ease, we mean by efficiency. Everyday foldable carton is an $80 billion industry. It's such an increasing industry that GCC New Market has concluded that in the year 2015 there will be 403,000 more cartons produced in 2011 than in 2011. These cartons are a rectangular prism with the cap placed on top, in the middle. The problem with these bottles is that when you pour the juice, some of the juice stays beneath the cap. When this juice stays beneath the cap, you cannot achieve a 100% efficiency, nor will it all come out. That is our main issue. It also takes 30 seconds, at least 30 seconds for you to empty 1 liter bottle. A 1 liter bottle. It's very hard to take it all out because you have to keep circulating it like a rock. The other issue is that through a controlled experiment, we were able to find out how much liquid was wasted per 1,000 milliliters. In 1,000 milliliters, there is a 1 to 3 milliliter average waste. It stays beneath the cap or inside the bottle. When this happens, you have to change the shape or design. There are 2 or 3 methods to go about with changing the design. But we decided to change 2 faces only. By changing these 2 faces, we hope to increase our efficiency and flow rate. The cap will be placed to the in between these 2 faces that we changed, right on the corner, so that it can see with these 2 sides. The sides will have a bulge of a 0.7 centimeter outwards, so that it flows through this edge. This edge, because of the bulge, will not be sharp anymore. It'll keep a more of a curved side shown right below. The cap is right above it, as I said, and there's a bulge on either side. We are hoping that this will increase the efficiency and flow rate by multiple seconds and from 0.5 to 2 milliliters. Okay? It'll have the same composition as other juice boxes because we want, and the same area and volume, all of it will be the same other than the design. We did this so because of this $80 billion industry, it has many profits and cheap costs. It is rapidly growing every year, and we want this to be a good part of this industry, to be part of this evolution towards growing and achieving better daily life statuses. We want our lives to be better, and we want it to be easier. Although we could not physically make a bottle, because to make one you have to go to a company, and the companies won't make 1 bottle for you. They make 100 to be with their profit, but instead we theoretically designed it and theoretically tested it and have concluded that this will solve most of our problems, okay? It should solve most of our problems and help us daily, in our daily lives. We have references from multiple websites, and our procedures were under controlled experiments conducted with the independent variable was the shape of the cartons, many different trials and many different cartons, and the dependent was how much liquid was, after report how much liquid was in the graduated cylinder. We conducted this with all scientific measurements using graduated cylinders, as well as knowing that to be precise, we used a 250 milliliter cylinder and a 100 milliliter cylinder, and the independent variable, as we said, was the carton. The dependent variable was how much liquid was out there, and the constant was the amount of liquid in the box. We tested it with exactly 1,000 milliliters in the box, and to find out how much was wasted, some of them had 995 milliliters left in the graduated cylinder, which means 5 was wasted. Some had only 1 milliliter wasted. So we have to say that on average, there was a 1 to 3 milliliter waste per 1,000 milliliters. Okay? We have found it out, and we physically created this with an AutoCAD engineering program. AutoCAD engineering program. We have not changed our height, weight, or length by too much. The height is 22 centimeters. The width will be 6.2 centimeters. The length will be 8.1 centimeters. But because of our curve, we cannot truly find the exact volume without many mathematical operations. And due to that, we estimate that our volume will be below 1,100 centimeters cubed. And We hope that this, and we have concluded, that this has solved a small problem in our daily life, but hopefully it will make everybody live easily and have happier time while taking their drinks with more luxury.